Welcome back. Having dissected our essay question, it's now time to plan our essay strategically to ensure coherence and a strong argument flow. Let's break down this process. Effective essay planning starts with a mind map. This tool helps you visually organize your ideas and see how they connect before you start writing. Here's how to create a mind map for our previous sample question on implementing technology in education. Start with the main topic in the center and branch out the main ideas and supporting details. This is the central theme from which all your ideas will branch out. Label this note clearly at the center of your mind map. The benefits branch includes enhanced learning experiences, accessibility, and personalized learning. The first micro branch has interactive learning in it, which is tools like virtual lab simulations. The accessibility has remote access, which is online courses that allow learning from anywhere. And the last small branch contains learn and pace. Technology allows students to learn at their own pace. The drawbacks branch. It also includes three micro branches: dependency and reliability, cost, and privacy and security. Dependency and reliability has the technical issues. Problems like server outages and software bugs can disrupt learning. The cost has maintenance and updates, which means ongoing costs for software updates and hardware maintenance. The third small branch has cheating and plagiarism. Easier access to information can lead to academic dishonesty. After brainstorming your benefits and drawbacks, you may think of some really important and relevant examples. For the interactive learning example, we have virtual reality experiences for history classes, allowing students to visit ancient civilizations. For accessibility example, we have apps like Duolingo for language learning that are accessible from multiple devices. For the dependency example, we have schools experiencing disruptions during internet outages. For the cost, we have schools in low income areas unable to afford updated computer labs. Draw lines connecting each benefit and drawback to real world examples, illustrating how these theoretical points are applied or observed in practice. Sum up the implications of the benefits and drawbacks. Suggest a balanced perspective or solution like blending traditional and technological teaching methods. This mind map will serve as a visual and organizational tool helping you structure your essay logically and ensuring you cover all necessary points thoroughly. It also facilitates deeper analysis by clearly laying out relationships between different aspects of the topic. Your thesis statement is your essay's backbone. It should clearly state your main argument and set the tone for your essay. For instance, in recent years, the integration of technology into educational settings has revolutionized the learning process, offering numerous advantages while also presenting certain challenges. Plan your essay structure. Typically, an introduction, at least two body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each body paragraph should focus on the main idea, supported by the evidence or examples. Remember, a well planned essay is half the battle won. For your assignment, create a detailed essay plan for a new question. Share it in the forum for feedback. Next time, we'll delve into developing strong arguments.